Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it is the unboxing of the Mystery Box Monday. This is the kitchen and bath box. So we had 5 of them. So, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through everything that was in this box that sold. So the people who purchased the boxes should already have them. This is a pre-recorded video that we are putting up on a Friday because everyone should have it, so it shouldn't be a surprise. So just in case you were wondering or a little afraid or scared or unsure as to if you should have purchased the box, you get to see everything that's in here. And then you can come back on Monday at 8 p.m. either on Facebook or YouTube and get the next box. But remember, every box is different. Every box has a different theme, value, items, number of items, and price. So for those of you who are new and are wondering how this thing works, every Monday at 8 p.m. I go live. I go live on Facebook and I go live on YouTube. And I show you a box. And like I said, every week is different. Even the size of the box can be different. So I show you the box, I tell you how many items are in it, about how much it weighs, and I tell you how much it is worth, meaning if you went to like Dollar General or Walmart or someplace like that and bought the box, this is what you would actually pay out of pocket. But then I always give you a discounted rate on the box. The first people who pay for the box, who pay either Facebook Pay, Cash App, Venmo, or PayPal, gets the box. And there's also a different number of boxes every week. So we've been doing this for a month now. And the first couple of weeks, I have done 2 boxes. The boxes have been selling out really fast. They've been selling out like within 15 minutes of me going live. So I decided to up the number of boxes this week to 5. So there are 5 of these boxes, and as you can see, this one is a different shape than what we have been using in the past. So whoever sent their money for these boxes, the first 5 people are the people who get this box. Now, you don't have to be local to me to Harrisburg. I do ship. The shipping on this box is a little expensive because it's so heavy. This box weighs probably about 9 pounds. So if you are not local, you had to pay for shipping on this box. If you're local, you just come pick it up. But normally the shipping only runs about $11 on the boxes, and everything is shipped priority mail. Unfortunately, the shipping on this box runs about $20. So the box is actually valued at $63. It's sold for $30. So even if you paid for the shipping, you still be getting a good deal. Now, if you were to buy this same box and these same items at like CVS or Walgreens or Rite Aid, we all know that those stores are a little overpriced. So these items probably would cost you close to like $85, $90 at those stores. But getting them for $30 from me is a steal. And that's how Mystery Box Monday works. Every Monday we do it. We go live at 8 p.m. I tell you the number of boxes, and I give you at least 10 clues to guess what's in the box. Now, sometimes I might give you more than 10, just depending on how generous I'm feeling or how the broadcast is going. But you can be guaranteed to get at least 10 clues. And then you can try to guess what's in the box. On Tuesday morning, people are able to come pick their boxes up, or I ship the boxes out. That way, everyone should have their box no later than Thursday, because if I ship it on a Tuesday, I'm shipping it priority mail. So you should have it by no later than Thursday, depending on what part of the country you're in. And that's why I wait until Friday at 8 p.m. to go live to show you everything in the box, because I don't want to rain on anyone's parade. I want to make sure that the people who purchase the boxes get them and have them open. So guys, let's get started. Again, this is a kitchen and bath box. This box is a priority mail shoe box. So just to give you a sense of the dimensions of the box. And as you guys know, I always pack these boxes to the gill, like they're like busting open, and that's no different with this box, okay? So everything in here has to do with the kitchen or the bath. There are 12 items in here. Now, I know normally there's like 19, anywhere from 19 to like 23 items in my boxes. But this week, there's 12. And the reason being is because one of the items in this box takes up so much space. The box retails for $63, but the people who purchased this box only paid $30. So they paid more than, less than half of what the box is worth, okay? So let's go over the tips as I bring out the items in the box, okay? So I'm going to sit the box down like this and open it up, because otherwise everything will fall out, or I'll be digging, having to stand up to dig down in the box. Okay, so the first thing on top is a set of Airwick twin oil refills. And that actually goes with the clue. I gave a clue that there was something in the box that had a hibiscus and blooming orchid scent. So that's what this is. And I also gave a clue that there were 7 things in the box that were scented. No, excuse me. Wait, that's wrong. Hold on. There were 7 things in the box that had never been in any other mystery boxes that I have done, and that is one of them. And then I also gave a clue that there were 5 things in the box that were scented, but they were all different items. And so this is one of them. So this goes to a bunch of the clues that I gave, okay? Here is an Airwick holder. So these two go together. And as you can see, you have to plug it up into the wall. And I said there was something else in here that you can use for both rooms that plugs into the wall that requires electricity. So that is this. Okay. Here is a bar of Dove soap. And this goes to the clue that there were 5 things in the box that was scented. Again, all different things. Here is an Airwick small spaces. Now, with the Airwick small spaces, not all of the boxes have the same scent, but all of them have an Airwick small space, but all of them are different scents. And this goes with the clue that this has never been in one of the boxes before, and this is one of the scented items that is all different. Also, this goes with the clue that you can use for both rooms, both the bathroom and the kitchen. I have these in both my bathrooms, and well, in all 3 of my bathrooms, as well as in my kitchen. So this is the Airwick small spaces. Okay. Here is a Pronamel Sensodyne toothpaste. And this is one of the items that has never been in a box before. Here is a beer mug. And on it, it says bottoms up. And then there's there's candy in here. Hershey Kisses, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Reese's and Kit Kats, and a peppermint patty. So this clue goes to a couple different things. This is the clue that there's something glass in here, and it could be for a male or a female. Also, I said there's some sweet treats in here, so that's what the candy is in there. Okay. Then we have some Dawn dishwashing liquid. I'm going to move this stuff back a little so you can see everything. For those of you that are coming on late, you can see everything. Okay. So here's the Dawn dishwashing liquid. And that goes with the clue. Something that one of the 5 things that is scented. Here are a pack of 409 disposable plastic gloves. And that goes with the clue. There's something in there that is protective for your hands. Oh, this also goes with the clue, something for your sink. Guys, I have this stuff packed in here so tight, so everything can fit in here. It's kind of hard for me to get it out. It's like I have to struggle and pull, so bear with me. I just like to pack the boxes to the gill because I want to make sure you guys are getting your money's worth. I want you to feel like you're getting your money's worth. Here is something. This is a huge bottle of Nivea body wash, and this goes with a couple different clues. This is something new. I have never put Nivea body wash in any of the boxes, and it's something that is scented. Okay. Then here is an Oral-B toothbrush. Again, this is something that has never been put in one of the boxes. Here is Colgate toothpaste. Now, this goes with the clue, something that starts with a C. So each of the boxes has a large tube of toothpaste, but some have Crest and some have Colgate. It just so happened that this box here that I packed had Colgate. So some have Crest and some have Colgate. And then the last item, which is the 12th item, and this item is the item that I gave you the clue for the following week, the previous week. I said there's going to be an item in here that you can use in the kitchen, and it requires electricity. So let me give you the other clue that goes with this. I said most likely you want to use it during the day, but it can be used at night. Depends on what you want to do. And here it is. It is a mini waffle maker. So I said that you can use this in the kitchen because most likely you're going to use it in the kitchen. I can't see you using it in the dining room. I mean, I can't see you using it in the living room. You may use it in the dining room. It does require electricity. And most people cook waffles during the day, in the morning. Sometimes they cook them at night for dinner or for lunch for waffles and chicken, or they have breakfast for dinner. But most people use their waffle makers during the day. So that is everything that is in the box. So I'm just going to sit this up here for those people who just came in, because the waffle maker takes up a lot of space, and I just want to make sure that you're able to see everything that was in the box. So I don't know how we're going to do this. So I hope that that you guys liked the box. I hope that you enjoyed everything here. And maybe you were going to buy the box, but you decided not to because you weren't sure what all was in the box. Or maybe, you know, you were a little hesitant because you had never purchased anything from me in the past. But those of you who have purchased from me in the past can all let you guys know you can buy from me confidently. And you know that I don't get stuff from the dollar store. All of my stuff is high quality. You always get the best bang for your buck when you buy something from me, whether it's a basket, whether it's something from Mystery Box Monday or whatever. And everything is shipped out right away, or you can come pick it up right away. But that is how Mystery Box Monday works. You can see the quality of the items that I put in the boxes. They're all top notch, all name brand things. Everything is good quality. Everything's brand new. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Like the video, comment below. Let me know what your favorite item was in the box. Let me know what you were surprised to see in the box. And if you actually purchased the box, comment below and let me know how you're enjoying the box, or let me know what your favorite item is that was in the box. So guys, again, I thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, both on Facebook and on YouTube. I thank you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, hit that subscription button as well as the bell right next to it. And if you're not following me on Facebook, follow me on Facebook. That way you get notified as soon as I go live or as soon as I put up a new video, and you won't miss out on anything. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.